In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize sources in OBS Studio. This skill is essential for anyone looking to create professional and visually pleasing recordings or live streams. Whether you're a gamer, a podcaster, or a creator of any kind, organizing your sources efficiently is key to delivering top-quality content. First, let's start by opening your OBS Studio on your computer. Once it's open, you'll be greeted by the default interface, which might look a little overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we'll make sense of it all. Now focus your attention on the bottom left corner of your screen, where you'll find the Scenes box. This is where you can select an existing scene or create a new one by clicking on the plus icon. Scenes are essentially the virtual stages for your content, so feel free to name them according to the type of content you'll be working on. It really helps in keeping things organized, especially if you're juggling multiple projects. Once your scene is set, move your gaze to the Sources box located at the bottom center of the OBS interface. This section will list all the components that make up your scene, from webcams to images and browser windows. To change the order of your sources, simply click and drag a source up or down the list. This feature is crucial because the order here reflects the layering of the sources. Think of it like stacking sheets of paper. Typically, you'll want to place your background images at the bottom of this list, since they act as the foundation of your scene. Above that, you can layer your overlays, text elements, and finally, your webcams, which should be on top since they are often the focal point. To further refine your organization, consider giving each source a clear, descriptive name. You can do this by right-clicking on a source and selecting Rename. This step can save you a lot of time and confusion, especially in complex scenes with many sources. If you have multiple sources that you always use together, like a logo and branding elements, right-click those and select Group Selected Items. This feature allows you to manage them collectively, reducing clutter and enhancing organization. Once grouped, a small arrow will appear next to the group name. Clicking this arrow will expand or collapse the items within that group, helping you to maintain a tidy workspace. To avoid accidental adjustments, click the lock icon next to each source. This action prevents any unintended moves or resizing. Similarly, the eye icon allows you to toggle visibility on and off, which is handy when you're adjusting your layout or want to see how things look without certain elements. After arranging your sources to achieve a clean and organized scene, it's time for a real test. Hit Start Recording or Start Streaming to ensure everything is working as planned. And that's it. Congratulations. You've successfully organized your sources in OBS Studio. With a well-organized setup, not only does your output look polished, but it also makes future edits and tweaks an absolute breeze.